it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. Guys, you will agree with me that in summer some chilled stuff needs to go down your throat. So in this video I will be showing you how to make 4 healthy summer goodies. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Whisk egg white till it becomes very light, then set aside. Pour cream into another bowl, whisk until fluffy, and add condensed milk. Transfer egg white, yogurt, vanilla extract, and cocoa powder into the bowl. Mix with a spatula. Then do the final mixing with the mixer. Transfer into a chilled bowl and freeze for at least 5 to 6 hours. There you have it. Try this recipe and join me in the comment section.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
For the beetroot, give it a thorough wash, peel, cut into little chunks, and blend with little water in order to extract the juice. It is important to wash the blender after each batch. Pour into the blender seedless orange, strawberry, honey, and blend. Lastly, banana, milk, and honey. I ended up using a little milk, reason being that this species of banana is milky in nature. Here I have the crushed nut mix, which would go into the banana puree, likewise strawberry puree, before pouring into the Popsicles molds. A plastic or silicone mold can be used, either of the two is fine. On one side, banana puree as the base, followed by strawberry puree, and of course topping it up with beetroot juice. On the other hand, strawberry puree as the base and beetroot juice as the final topping. Everything set to be frozen. Freeze for 6 to 12 hours and enjoy afterwards. There you go. Healthy, fruity popsicles is ready to be enjoyed at the comfort of your home.
Make it last for